What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would share with you what is new at Sephora. I have so much stuff. I'm so excited to share with you. A brand new product from Penrose, and they are, I would say, a newer brand to Sephora, very up and coming. They sent me this product, which is their Secret Genius Shimmer Mist. I love it. Not only do I love that, but it comes in like this vanilla sandalwood, very earthy type scent. That's like what I'm wearing on my chest today. It's very glossy. It gives your skin like this really pretty shimmer without being over the top. So you can spray it in your hair, you can spray it on your chest, and spray the product out on your hand if you'd like, because it's a very easy product to work with. And if you can see like the shimmer on, you can put it on your cheeks, down the nose, you can apply it to your décolleté if you don't want to spray it all over. It's very easy. It's completely cruelty-free, vegan. It's run by females. Girl power. I'm a motherfucking woman. It creates like the perfect shimmer meets like JLo goddess. They have a collection with Sephora featuring these products. You got like scented lip shimmers. You have a really fun brush set. Okay, so the first thing is this Penrose Sephora Collection highlighter, and comes in this type of holographic. This is kind of like a balm. Really pretty, light, balmy texture, where I think you can make it super subtle or you can build it up to it to be like pretty badass. And then let's see, the scented lip shimmers. The lip shimmers look like, let's just see how metallic they are. Ooh, they smell like bubblegum. Very sheer. Let's do that one and let's swatch the blue. See, the swatches aren't gonna give it justice because they are more on like the sheer side, but they're really yummy and they smell super, super good. The last thing is these fun brushes, and I'm gonna open them up to see if they're soft, what they look like. These are so fun. So it comes with a powder brush, a kabuki brush. So it comes powder brush, this fun brush for blending. If you have a daughter, a niece, you want to get it for yourself, pretty good deal for 5 brushes. Yes, I was doing the math in my head because I thought that I counted wrong. Purchased was this Beauty Blender foundation. I was dying to try it as soon as I saw it all over social media because it looked very blurring, very gorgeous, and I am in the shade 2.30, and I had to match myself online because we don't have it in stock. This is the Beauty Blender Bounce Liquid Whip Long Wearing Foundation, and that is what I'm wearing today, and I love it. I was gonna wait to do a get ready with me to see if I liked it, but I couldn't wait. This is what the packaging looks like, and it's kind of cool, the application. You basically take your beauty blender, I have to wash mine, and then just apply it like so, and then all of the product comes off, and then you can just dab it all over your face and work with it that way. It was a little tricky at first because I wasn't sure like how I was gonna get the product out without it making a complete mess of this bottle, but then I figured it out. I put 2 and 2 together and I realized that this is how they apparently want you to do it, or maybe like this. So you can use your beauty blender with this foundation. I think it's very matte, very blurring, perfect combination between the medium and the full coverage. So if you just want a sheer application, I think that you can get one. I think the main thing that I love about this foundation is that it's blurring, but I will do a get ready with me so you guys can see it if you want. The IT Cosmetics CC Matte. So if you want to see this, let me know. This is in Colorless Finish. I got the shade light medium. From the swatches online, it looked like the light would be a little bit too light for me, and that's what this looks like. I wore this all day yesterday, and I again loved the finish of it so much more than the original version. It kept my face very matte, very poreless. Those were the 2 things that I noticed the most. I even worked out in it, and I loved the way that my skin looked. It looked completely airbrushed. Oh, I think that this is a winner. Also had this over it, which is the Airbrush Perfecting Powder in medium. I liked this too. I liked this because the powder, this was a powder finish, but it kind of gave me some coverage. The best of both worlds, where you can wear this, it can mattify your face, but also gives you a little bit of concealing. Okay, then I got this, which was the Heavenly Skin CC plus Skin Perfecting Brush. This came in a kit, QVC kit, so you can buy these separately. It just gives it like a nice airbrush finish to your face. I got 3 different things from Verb. These are, I wouldn't say it's like I would say it's a newer brand, a newer indie brand to Sephora. They have some great products. I did a campaign with them, I think it was a couple months ago, it might have been last year. And ever since I did my campaign with them, I've been really loving these products, so I purchased these. I got the Ghost Dry Oil, which is amazing. This is kind of like one of those dry shine sprays. If you have really dry, lackluster hair, you will love this. Oh my gosh. Obsessed. And then this cocktail my stylist uses in my hair, and I could not believe the softness and the shine that was my hair afterwards. It never looks like that. So what she did is she mixed the Verb Ghost Prep with the Ghost Oil. And if you do like 1 squirt of each, basically you put it in your hair wet, and it is like the key to perfection. It's so, so good. I've been also using Monet that Lisa sent me, and I've been loving that as well. She said she did notice with my hair that when she was brushing it out, since I've been using Monet, that I wasn't shedding hardly at all. And I just have a lot of hair that comes out when I brush, and she noticed that since I've been using it that it wasn't coming out as much. That's awesome. I will put Lisa's information below if you want to purchase any Monet from her. And so far I've been loving that as well, so we will see. I'm gonna give it a couple more weeks or months to see if it's, hopefully my hair grows. I'm really desperate for it to grow. The Ghost line is basically for people with really fine hair, so it doesn't weigh your hair down, but it also, the products are really effective. And I've got thick as shit hair, and these work so amazingly. Next brush I got from Sephora, and girls, this brush, I mean, this is like Fort Knox. This brush is so, so good. Oh, this is the number 50 brush, yes, and this is for powder. This is like, look at this brush. It's completely flat, but it comes to a tip, so it's really good for like under eye powder, for more precision when you contour, for when you bronze. I mean, I can't wait to use it. Okay, this Fenty Liner, I cannot wait. That's basically the one thing that I wanted when Rihanna came out with, like, was it her summer collection? I don't remember, but I love the name. It's 'Cause I'm Black. It's like the perfect name ever. This is a really cool, it's kind of like that triangle, and then there's the tip of it, and this mother effer stays. It completely stays. I mean, you don't even have to worry about it like budging once you have this bad boy on. So, 'Cause I'm Black, eyeliner from Rihanna. I love it. I love Rihanna. Only Rihanna could get away with calling it that. It's amazing. Natasha Denona came out with the Super Glow highlighters, and I purchased light to medium. Probably the perfect for my skin tone right now. I kind of want to get the light too because I really like that champagne type look. This is more of just like a light champagne color. Really icy though. Look how easy that was to do. Super icy and pretty. Also, I wanted to get another Huda Beauty palette because that's what I'm wearing today, is the Rose Gold palette. Totally recommend that. I mentioned it in my haul last week, and this is the Quarrel Obsession. Ugh, I love this. I wore this in a video a couple of weeks ago. All of them are crazy gorgeous, so really, really love that. I think that that is just such a fun thing. And then I have not tried this out, but this is the Hourglass Mascara. This is Caution Extreme. Husband's working downstairs. And so that is that. I will use this in my next Get Ready With Me, but I think it's pretty good because I think I loved their last mascara, I thought was amazing. Okay, so probably the best pore refiner that I've ever used is the Dr. Brandt Pore Refiner Primer. So I feel like a connoisseur at what are the best pore primers because I have pore issues and I like my pores to be non-existent. And I've purchased this before, so I'm actually, this is a repurchase, but it is one of the best pore primers because it actually, since it has tea tree in it, it corrects and also conceals. So there's like medication in there. Tea tree is so good. That actually corrects your pore problem. Not to say that your pores will ever shrink, but it does help them to stay clear because of the tea tree that's in this product. Amazing. I mean, the girl was putting it on me in Sephora with like her brush and she was like, oh, and we were just like blown away. I don't know why, because I've purchased this such a long time ago, but it just never ceases to amaze me at why I don't buy this. It's a little bit on the pricey side, and that's why. I think it's about $45, which I think is expensive for a pore refiner. I mean, I should talk. I mean, Sicily is like $200, so I need to like shut the F up. Too, I love Drunk Elephant. Not only do I love elephants to death, but I love these two products. So this is the T.L.C. Glycolic Night Serum. If you've never tried this, I brought a sample of this with me out to California, and it was like the only treatment that I used because I think I was out of my retin-A, and every day that I woke up using this, my skin was so incredibly smooth and even and poreless. It looked like glass. Kept on forgetting to buy it until recently. It is everything. If you are looking for something to really help clear up your skin, that is what you need to get. And I wanted to get the bigger size, but they were out of it, so I got the 30 mils. Although usually if you get the bigger size, you're like saving money and it's more cost effective. I don't think it is, because like I will take out my calculator and I will calculate like ounces versus price to see which really is better, and if it's not better, I'll get the smaller size. It's like so weird of me. Does anybody else do that? Like I'll do that with like cereal boxes. Like if there's a bigger size, like I'll just kind of calculate how many ounces versus the price or something like that. I forget what I do, but I seriously do that. It's weird, but my husband got me into doing it, and so I just have always done that. You can just get the size, it's whatever. This is a new moisturizer for them, which is the Protini Polypeptide cream. This is basically like a primer and moisturizer in one. I really noticed when I would wear this that my makeup went on better. It kind of like plumped the skin. Your makeup looks way, way better, and it also brightens the skin almost immediately, and I think it's because of the peptides in there that just brighten the skin, and there's like immediate plumping effect, which is, we all want that. This NARS lip gloss, I don't know what I did with the box, but this is At First Sight, and I just felt like out of all of the new lip glosses that came out, this was the prettiest. It had kind of like a, it has just like a shimmer. So it's, you know what this is? It's like albatross, but in a lip gloss form. Really pretty. All the other shades, I mean, I wasn't really that crazy about. This is gorgeous. I think that you should definitely get that. So this was like a pretty friggin' huge haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what you think, and yeah, I will see you next time. Bye.